Delhi Police Constable has reunited 73 missing children with their parents in the last 8 months, officials said on Wednesday. Sunita joined the Delhi Police on November 10, 2014. After initial training, she was posted in different units, including Police Control Room, C4i Command Room CPCR, Police Headquarters, and then she was transferred to West District. Police said presently she is posted in the Anti-Human Trafficking Unit of the West District for the last 1 year. In 2019, the police headquarters floated a policy to recognize the efforts of police personnel who trace the kidnapped and missing children and reunite them with their families. Head Constable Seema Dhaka from Samaipur Badli Police Station became the first woman to be promoted out of turn for tracing 50 missing children within 1 year. The act was widely appreciated and she became an inspiration for the others, including Sunita.